Hi, this is David Piper with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services California Properties. My DRE number is 02021985. I'm starting the second day of my open house weekend here at 2428 Oak Canyon Place in Escondido, California, 92025. Before I started my open house, I wanted to give you a quick preview of some more of this amazing house that I'm in this weekend. Take a look behind me. Look at that beautiful hand-cut stone fireplace. It's absolutely stunning. This great room is just something that's breathtaking. But let's go into the master bedroom, okay? Here we start off with a sitting room for you to enjoy a fire, have a little, read a little bit, enjoy the atmosphere. You come over here into the master bedroom and it's huge. You have your own little seating area. And then you come into the master bath and look at this. You have a heated marble floor. You have this stunning steam shower, a nice bathtub, and look here, you have your own little steam room, or sauna room, sauna. How many bathrooms do you know have that? And come take a look at this. You have a double vanity, and this mirror, it's a special mirror. It actually has a TV behind it. It's a little hard to see in this light, but there's actually a TV that you can sit there and enjoy while you're sitting in your amazing tub here. But then there's more. Look at this amazing, huge walk-in closet. It's absolutely stunning. There's enough room for all your clothes and more. But anyway, I hope you'll enjoy this little preview of today's open house. Come visit me. Once again, the address is 2428 Oak Canyon Place, Escondido, California, 92025. And I'm David Piper. I hope to see you later.